Olmaz falan yok. Kırılmaz falan yok.
اسمك ترى يوتا
Uzu zabardast mu dedi? Uzu falan. Uzu. Si kahmet ina. Ha? Yeri na.
Hello, I'm Dr. Azam Badr Khan. I'm working in Dubai Prime Hospital, orthopedic surgeon. I was here, I've just completed the knee replacement camp in District Hospital of Kargil, where I have done 19 knee replacements in 2 days, out of which 5 knees were done free. Well, what I know that in Kargil before also knee replacement camp has been done, but this is the first time we have focused in people who are poor, who cannot afford for the implants, and I'm really glad to say that I could manage 5 implants for 5 patients free of cost. So the whole focus is that, and I have been coming to this place for a very long time, but I had the opportunity to do a free knee camp in 2019, where in 2 days we could see 900 patients and screened 90 patients for TKR, which is knee replacement. Well, again, because of the COVID, we were not able to coordinate and traveling was restricted. So we made, along with Al Riza and myself from Prime Hospital in Dubai, which is a very multi-speciality hospital and one of the leading health providers in Dubai. We came, I along with my colleagues, one gynecologist, Dr. Usha, and Dr. Balaji, who is an anesthetist, Dr. Irfan, orthopedician, Dr. Milan. We came here and we could try to do whatever maximum we have done here. And in future, well, after ending a very successful camp, I plan to come very soon here within the next year, within 6 months. And in future also we will try to keep on helping the people who could not afford any money for the implant also, and create an awareness. We are really going to be working very seriously on that matter, that how can we create an awareness among the people, starting from the children in the houses, so that they could say that if this is the stage at this time, then what is going to happen in the next 10 years if you're seeing so many numbers of people turning up for the knee replacement. Along with this, also I would definitely like to pass on my knowledge and of the skill what God, Allah has given me to the doctors who are local doctors, who are orthopedician, so that they, very soon they can themselves start doing the knee replacement on their own, and I can be supervising them as by running a knee clinic for them. I was also fortunate enough to the colleagues, my orthopedician colleagues, Dr. Ahmad Ali and Dr. Sujat, who are in a district hospital, to let them they were willing. I would also like to say that I'm really pleased to see the enthusiasm in the local doctors, orthopedician, that they want to learn. They are well trained, but I think because of lack of time and the responsibility was they have, it's very hard to go out and get trained for surgeries like joint replacement, especially the knee replacement. It needs a long time to get trained. Therefore, it was my I was very fortunate enough that in this camp, both the doctors were able to do the knee replacement from step A to Z, and I was very fortunate enough to let them guide them through the whole step of knee replacement. I believe this is the first time which has happened in this in this district of Kargil, in the district hospital. I was told that from the last 5-6 years, people from Delhi have been coming, doctors have been coming and doing the replacement, but never it happened that they got a chance to hands-on and do the surgery on the live patients. So and this is what I really want to pass on my knowledge to them, so that in near future they start doing the knee replacement themselves. Thank you.